Magandang gabi and happy Wednesday everyone. No midweek crisis right here as we bring you V-Cup 40 Above Legends Basketball League. This is the quarterfinals. We're coming to you live in AFP Wellness Center inside Camp Aguinaldo in Quezon City. The players are ready, the officials are ready, and this is the quarterfinals after all. One ticket to the semifinal round. Right here we see key players such as Butel who will try to earn their ticket to the semifinal round and help their team on the other side. Playing coach Ronald Tubid naman ang mapapakita natin sa Fire Chief. Right now, ang battle ngayon is Fire Chief against Saints Basketball, and we're still coming to you live on our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram. Magandang gabi po, Will Aller at your service alongside MPBL's very own Coach John Gonzaga, and later on you'll hear the voice of our courtside reporter, itong si MG Baliday. Coach John, kumusta ang pakiramdam? Second matchup na natin for tonight.
Yes, babatiin ko muna lahat ng mga nanonood, mga nakatutok. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. At napakaganda ng larong ito dahil yung unang game, bakbakan. Eto, bakbakan na naman. Sigurado mag-enjoy kayo. At manatili lang kayong manood at nakatutok, sigurado mag-enjoy kayo.
That's right. It's gonna be a heavyweight matchup. Mga higante, mga titans itong maglalaban dito sa V-Cup 40 Above Legends Basketball, the quarterfinals. We're still live on our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Just look for V-Cup and V-Sports. Match result from the last time that they faced each other, Coach John.
Yes, napakaganda ng matchup na to dahil dito, etong Saint, napakaganda ng punto sila. Pagdating naman dito sa Fire Chief, meron silang 66. Pagdating naman sa percentage, medyo nagkakadikit lang. Hindi naman nagkakalayo yan. Pero pagdating sa points, sa kanilang block and sa bench points, dito nagkakatalo. Mas marami dito sa Saints ang umaarangkada sa kanilang galing sa upuan para makapuntos.
Looks to me, defense talagang ang susi para makakuha ng championship, no? Right now, makakakita tayo ng matitinding matchup, matitinding depensa plus opensa between these two Titans. Saints Basketball against Fire Chief. Head-to-head matchup right here ng mga higante between Fire Chief and Saints Basketball.
Yes, head-to-head. Eto nga, inaabangan pareho ng mga viewers natin. Etong si Bonbon Custodio. At pagdating naman dito sa Saints, napakaganda ng pinapakita nito ni Ronald Hawkins. Sigurado, pag etong dalawa ay nagkatapat, sigurado magpapakitang gilas ito. Lamang na lamang dito si Custodio pagdating sa rebound, pagdating naman sa assist, lamang na lamang pa rin. Pero pagdating sa puntusan, medyo balanse itong dalawang to. Maganda ang kanilang bakbakan at pagdating sa field goals, sigurado hindi mapapahiya ang kanilang pupunan.
Looking at that, Bonbon Custodia literally doing everything for his team, no? Almost triple-double or all triple-double talaga yung ginawa niya sa last time that they faced each other. Right now, ready na tayo para sa starting lineup. Coach John, let's turn it over to 30 Hapos para sa starting lineup.
At lead guard number 24, Howell Aquino. At shooting guard number 7, Roel Magiat. At forward number 19, Ronald Hawkins. At power forward number 15, Gilbert Pirate Malabanan. And at center number 17, Roberto Sayawan. Head coach Chad Sarmiento. And now for your Fire Chief. At lead guard number 7, Aloy San Jose. At the 2 guard spot, number 1, Josh Gustillo. At small forward, number 11, Glenn Bolocon. At the power forward spot, number 30, Icy Cool de la Cruz. And at center, the man in the middle, number 5, Alvin Sen. Head coach Paulo De Borja. Your officials for this match, crew chief Raymond Lentada, umpire 1 Jong Banayat, and umpire 2 Romulo Buenavista. It's game time!
There you have it on your screen right now. Starting lineup for Saints Basketball and Fire Chief. Coach John?
Yes, pagdating sa gwardiya, ito si Ronel at si Aloy, magandang matchup to. Pagdating naman dito sa mga sentro, at ito, partner, Sayawan, Malabanan, Hawkins. Pagdating naman sa kabilang koponan, Jose Gustillo, Se Cruz, Bolocon.
Grabe, looks like this is gonna be a battle of the titans talaga. Saints Basketball against Fire Chief. We're ready for tip-off.
First quarter.
There we have it. Itong Saints Basketball will get the first possession right here, and immediately may foul agad na tinawag para dito kay Ice de la Cruz, no, after he challenged that shot ni Anthony Gilbert Malabanan.
Yes, partner. Magandang bakbakan. Star-studded. Ang dami mga PBA player na naglaro at naka-experience at dito magtatapatan sila.
Exactly. Malabanan sinks his first. Bago magpatuloy yung kanyang free throw, biglang ko lang ng magandang shoutout to, no? Our head of table officials ng VCUP 40 and above. Also NCAA South Commissioner Andrew Mangandi. Thank you so much for your support and coverage right here sa VCUP 40 above Legends Basketball.
Yes, partner. Siyempre, kung pinasasalamatan natin itong B-Cup 40 above basketball tournament na to, napakaganda ng bumubuo rin netong 5Tech Media Solution.
Absolutely, no? Without them, hindi ganito kaganda yung coverage natin.
Yes. Kung di dahil sa 5Tech na yan, Media Solution, wala tayong ganito. Pero siyempre, dahil ang ating boss, B-Cup, Boss Jim, napakaganda ng inyong programa na binibigay sa mga 40 up.
Exactly. Right now, we're on a deadlock between Fire Chief and Saints Basketball, 2 apiece, 9 and 10 left here. Cross-court pass, Saints Basketball sharing the ball really well right here, pero hindi sila makakuha ng space. Inside, Sayawan, fall away.
Napakaganda ng kanyang apelido, partner. Sayawan, medyo nasobran sa sayaw, kaya hindi na pa-shoot.
A rare air ball then on the other side coming naman from Aloy San Jose. May kaba factor pa to, may ano pa to, jitters pa to kasi whoever's the winner will advance.
Yes, talagang bakbakan talaga to. At sigurado, yung nanalo kanina, nag-i-scout na.
Yes.
Pero syempre, itong kuponan na to, ay magpatalo pareho. Pero syempre, ang twice to beat, hulugan, mahirap talunin. Pero syempre, dapat hindi kumpiyansa itong Fire Chief para sa kanilang twice to beat.
Absolutely. Itong Saints Basketball really going hard down the paint. Yung last two na atake nila talagang inside the shaded area pero hindi lang sila makakonvert. But, you know, clearly ang intention nila is bang it inside and be physical.
Partner, nakita natin si Ronald Tubid. Siya muna nagtitimon sa Op1, nagko-coach. Bakit nga ba?
Diba? One of the rules here in 40 up dito sa VCUP Legends Division is yung mga pro players or ex-pro up to 3 ang pwede nilang i-field, and it seems to me na nagiging generous itong si Ronald Tubid, no? Nagbigay muna siya dun sa remainder of the pro players sa Fire Chiefs.
Okay, ganda.
2-point lead by Fire Chief against Saints Basketball right now. Looking at it.
Ito na naman, partner, yung inaabangan kong mama, si Manggihat. Ito nagdadala ng bola. Nakakalabang ko yan bandang Santa Rosa, bandang Laguna. So, ito na naman, nakita ko siya. At na-cover ko rin to sa ibang liga. At tingnan natin kung may ibubuga ngayong gabing ito.
So, mga panalay players, nagiging small na lang yung network ninyo, no? As pro players and mga ligang labas na naglalaro. Right now, we can see that attack na itong si Josh Gustillo all the way to the hole.
Yes, napakaganda ng kanyang finish. Walang kakaba-kaba, sabi niya. Eto, panimula warm-up, sabi.
Exactly. Pretty play from Josh Gustillo, and right now we can see that Ronel Manggiat naman on the line shooting his last free throw right here, making it count.
Yes, imagine mo 40 na yan, mahigit, pero nakakalabang ko yan bandang pag may mga laro labas na open. At ayan na naman si Manggiat, walang preno, at ayun, dire-diretso.
Perfect defense ang pinakita nito ni Florence Cura. Challenging that shot without fouling. Guspilio again with the ball. Pocket pass, intercepted. Saints basketball, 3 against 2, give and go.
Howell Aquino from Gilbert Malabanan.
Play smart para kay Gilbert Malabanan. Yun yung nakikita nga, yung imagine mo, yung kanyang nangingibaw ang kanyang experience. At siyempre, magaling na coach din yan.
Exactly. 65 ang ating score, 6:30 left here in the first period. Talagang bakbakan agad right on the get-go of this game.
Yung kaninang pace na pinapanood natin first game, iba yung tempo. Pero pagdating ngayon, iba yung tempo, partner.
Let's look at this quick replay right here, but we're gonna go on that push off down the paint.
Medyo may konting lambingan lang.
Yes. Alam naman tayo mga Pinoy, very competitive and physical pagdating sa basketball.
Lalo na ngayon, partner. Napaka-importanting laro na to, kaya talagang aasahan mo yung konting lambing ng iyong kalaban.
Exactly. That was Ice De La Cruz knocking down that baseline jumper para dito sa Fire Chief, making 8-5 ang ating score. Aquino inside. Another open 3. Mangiad
Deep three.
making it count from deep.
At ayun nga, partner, medyo may official timeout.
Injury timeout for
Right now, injury timeout will be called. Sabi mo nga, no? And itong may tama ata siya sa mata. Looks like he's bleeding, pero maliit lang naman.
Yes, pero siyempre, dapat yung mga ganyan concern tayo dahil sa edad nga nila, dapat pinangangalagaan din sila bilang maganda ang kanilang ipapakitang laro dito.
Exactly. De La Cruz will be fielded out to get that check. No, it's right across the bridge of his nose and dripping na yung dugo sa kanyang ilong.
Yes. Napakaganda ng ginawa ng referee. Kumuha siya ng timeout para mas maganda.
Right. Para mas sort out nila, no? Now, while we're sorting it out, looks to me na deadlock ulit tayo. 8-8, 5:46 left. And talagang back and forth. Heavyweight matchup nga, kumbaga sa boxing, talagang bigayan tong dalawang team na to.
Yes, yan ang V-Cup. So dito, pag nasa liga ka ng V-Cup, kailangan protektado ka, kailangan pinangangalagaan ka. Kaya pinapanatiling maganda ang liga dahil dito kailangan lahat safe ang ating mga players, staff, and then lahat ng involved dito sa V-Cup na to.
Exactly.
Kaya doon pa lang magsisimula tayo na pangalagaan ng lahat para sa liga na to.
Big shout out to the entire V-Cup team, no? Kita natin doon sa live feed na yon. It's our first aider yung nagbibigay ng paunang gamutan dito kay De La Cruz para mag-stop yung bleeding doon sa kanyang ilong.
Yes, ating mga first aid, laging ready talaga yan. Lagi silang first dyan. So dahil maganda yung attention nitong referees natin, napakaganda ng kanyang vision.
Exactly. Ngayon, magbabalik na ang labanan ng bakbakan dito between Fire Chief and Saints Basketball. 8 apiece po ang ating score. 5:46 left dito sa unang period.
Yes, partner. Tingnan mo, imagine mo dito sa Saint. Meron akong dalawang mamang tinitingnan. Itong si Hate at saka ang iyong idol na si Sakuragi ang buhukan.
Oo, no? Clean block right there. Agad-agad.
At sa kabilang kupunan, nasa bench yung partner, Wilson. At Custodio. Grabe, no? Masyadong malalim din yung bench na to, partner.
Yes, at saka kita natin the willingness nitong mga players to be in attention kahit hindi pa naman sila fielded. Ang lalim, ang haba ng bench na na-occupy nila because of the number of players for both squads equally.
Yes, ito yung sinasabing magandang match-up. Kumbaga, 5 in, 5 out. Kung kahit sa bench, match-up pa rin, no?
Exactly.
2 shots for Ronel Mangia.
kinukuha yung advantage nitong Manggiyat sa bilis at sa talino niya. Dito nangingibabaw siya sa bilang gwardya.
Exactly. Tsaka he's getting a lot of confidence, Coach John, na nakakakuha siya ng free throws. You know, seeing the ball go through the hoop, nabuboost yung confidence mo dyan as a player, di ba?
Siya, kumbaga, energizer dito sa
Yes.
team nila. Kumbaga, hindi tatakbo kung hindi niya itatakbo.
Exactly. Here comes the Fire Chief naman, looking to counter. Bolocon. One dribble pull up, in and out ang tira ni Bolocon. Saints basketball.
Wow. Hawkins. Eto, Manggiyat na naman, partner.
Open for three. Takes it and drills the three. And that signal, that buzzer is mandatory substitution para tayo ngayon.
Yes,
no? Here
ayun
in
yung
VCAP.
sinasabing rules dito.
Look at that replay here. Manggiyat open, no hesitation, drills the triple.
Hindi nagdalawang isip.
Yes.
Sabi niya, kakashoot ko lang ng free throw, ilalayo ko naman dito sa 3 points. At ayun nga, hindi naman pinahayag yung magandang pasa. At swak na swak ang 3 points na yun.
Precisely, no? Kailangan talaga niya yun as a shooter and as a court general na talagang nagpa-facilitate ng ating play.
Yes, napakaganda na pinapakita nitong Saints. Kaya eto, tingnan natin itong Fire Chief kung ano ang isusukli sa magandang pinapakita nitong Saints.
Now, Coach John, let's turn it over to our pretty courtside reporter, MG Baliday. What do you have?
VCAP fans, from what we can see right now, one of the key players of Fire Chief, Ronald Tubid, is not playing in this ball game. But he told me earlier that their motivation to win this game is the fact that the Saints won a game over them. In his own words, we cannot let that happen again. In addition, the team owner, Florence, who reminded the team whatever happens in this game, they will always go back to defense and will always be ready for physicality and just bite back with a good play. Let's see how will this unfold for them. But for now, back to you within Coach John.
Thank you, MG. It's important din no, na may ganun kang klaseng player na generous. Tapos nagko-coach siya right now. And then what he's trying to send as a message sa team nila, Coach John, is gamitin natin yung huling panalo natin over Saints basketball para magkaroon tayo ng kumpiyansa.
Yes, napakaganda nun. Imagine mo, nagtutulungan kayo. Malayo ang mararating at iaangat nyo kapag ganyan ang inyong kupunan.
Precisely. Saints basketball this time naman holding a 5-point lead over Fire Chief Cura Industries.
Ito na nga, partner, yung custodio na inaabangan ko. Plus paundo pa. Aba, maganda to sa loob ng court.
Triple. Giannis making it rain here in AFP Wellness Center. Rosales. Great ball rotation nitong Saints basketball. Butel scoops it up. Unstoppable move by Butel sa size niya at saka doon sa space na na-occupy niya attacking the rack.
Yes, komportableng itong si Butel sa kanyang ginawa. Kaya eto, napakaganda ng kanyang depensa. Ang sarap talaga pag galing sa shoot. Ang sarap ng depensa.
Balik agad sa depensa. A triple on the way, no good.
Tingnan mo, rumiribon pa yung Butel. But eto nga, tingnan natin. Kumakamada pa ito si Butel. Pero ang ganda na pinapakita ng kanilang kupunan. Maganda ang kanilang sistema.
Sagala cross court. Another triple on its way. Wala, Custodio gets it. Itong si Rosales would rather foul itong si Custodio rather than give a free way para maka-atake siya.
Yes, utak. Kumbaga, utak yung ginawa doon ni Custodio. Imagine mo, kaya niya namang iwanan. Pero sabi niya, teka lang, masyado ka madikit. Pasasabitin muna kita.
Oo, kuha muna ako ng foul. Stop the play. And then magre-regroup sila.
Yes.
Custodio looking, scanning the floor right here. Will pull up from baseline. In and out. And Butel naman, na-recover agad ang bola para sa Saints basketball.
Ganda ng ginagawa ni Butel. May 2 rebound kaagad. At nakashoot na ng 2 points.
Yes. And he's not falling behind sa defense, no? As well, kapag bumabalik sila, talagang tumatakbo ulit siya pababa. And this time, a timeout is called by Saints basketball. They're holding a 4-point lead dito sa laban nila sa quarterfinals. Coach Jan, pahinga muna natin ang ating bosses. Magbabalik tayo.
Yes.
ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This Everbest moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Hindi nawawala ang laro kapag tumira ay lagi pasok.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Right, returning to you live here at AFP Wellness Center, we bring you V-Cup 40 above Legends Basketball. This is the quarterfinals between Saints Basketball against Fire Chief. Zagala will launch as the shot clock winds down.
Wow.
Ball sharing at its finest.
Abang-abang lang ito si Paundo. Bumababa lang. Relax na relax. Kalmadong-kalmado ang kanyang paglalaro ng basketball dito sa 40 up.
Exactly, and the reward na nakuha niya is yung uncontested na yun, na layup niya. Rosales naman this time punishing them from the outside, making it 17-13. Under 2 minutes left here in the first period. Go cross court, Custodio scanning the floor. Perfect pump fake ni Llanes inside. I love what I'm seeing from Fire Chief. Talagang sinashare nila yung bola.
Yes, veteranong-veterano. Paborito ni Paundo yung mga ganyan. Ang tawag ko dyan kasi pag nakakalaban ko yan sa labas, Paundo eh.
Paundo.
Last ko nakalaban niya, MPBL din. Ganyan din ang laruan. Masipag, dampot-dampot, pulot-pulot. At ayun, nakakuha ng foul dito sa ibabaw kay Go.
Paundo knows where to position himself, no? Na mas mababakante siya, mas makakatira, and the ability to rebound the basketball again. And this time, I think another timeout is called by Fire Chief. And the officials will turn it over and said no timeout was called, and balik tayo sa action, Boss John.
Yes, at eto nga, medyo nag-alala. Eto mga player, akala nila merong timeout na nangyari, pero foul lang po yun.
Right. Back in action right here in AFP Wellness Center. Short jumper here. Power move. Power putback, although it was blocked clearly. And nakakuha ng foul itong seasoned na player natin here in Saints Basketball, itong si Jojo Hate.
Yan ang inabangan ko.
No?
Kuya Hate, Kuya Jojo. Isa yan sa mga minsan nagka-message ko yan eh. Pagkamustahan eh. Pagpanalay-panalay. Isa yan, mainit din yan sa larong labas.
Clearly still got the power naman talaga, yung lakas, tsaka yung intelligence, yung basketball IQ nandyan pa rin kay Sir Jojo Hate.
Yes, napakaganda talaga panoorin pag mga pareho mga ex-PBA, yung mga nakapaglaro sa UAPNC, pag sila yung nagtapat dito, napakaganda. Iba yung pisikalan, katulad noon na nangyari na yun. Pisikalan pero ang ganda ng depensa.
Exactly, he's still down on the floor holding his elbow. I think tumama ng malakas yung elbow niya doon.
Offensive foul number 18.
Pareho maganda pinapakita ng team. Ibig sabihin, pareho naghanda, pareho nag-scout, alam nila kung saan pupunta yung bola, alam nila kung saan patungo yung sistema ng both teams. Kaya eto, magandang depensahan, medyo pisikalan.
Right. Goes without saying na napaka-prepared talaga nila. Just like that. Zagala knocking down that elbow jumper for Saints Basketball, making it 20-15. 30 seconds on the clock. And yung mga fouls na yun, that's a tiny mistake, no? Pero that would prompt the official to give 2 shots dito kay Llanes kasi penalty na tayo, coach.
Yes, medyo nanggigigil eh. Nakikita niya na parang kaya niyang abutin yung bola, pero medyo veterano talaga itong si Llanes. Alam niya pag kukunin mo yung bola, iangat niya, medyo konting hawi, pero ikaw matatawagin ng foul. At ayun nga, airball partner.
Mukhang hiningal to si Llanes. As he brought down the ball and was defended nitong Saints Basketball. si Taniegra.
Yes, maganda itong lineup nitong Saints. Lahat veterano. Halos sa feeling ko mga taga mga taga Laguna halos lahat nakikita ko.
Sa South tong mga to, itong
South,
Saints basketball, no? They've been very big in the recreational and competitive space, commercial space. Mga ligang labas itong Saints basketball.
Yes.
Niegra knocking down the triple. Oh, beats the clock. What a triple by Llanes to end the first. That's gonna give you a lot of confidence, Coach John, no? Yung buzzer beater, sinagot mo yung kabilang three-pointer ni Taniegra. And looking at it as they grab the basketball, meron pa talagang oras. It was Llanes really who made the decision to take that shot kahit half-court TV yung nangyari, Coach John. Diba? So that's the end score, 23-19. Magbabalik tayo on the second period of this ball game. Returning to you live here in AFP Wellness Center inside Camp Aguinaldo, Quezon City. This is Fire Chief against Saints Basketball, the quarterfinals matchup. Napakagandang first period naman, talagang ibang klaseng bakbakan ang pinakita nito. Down to the wire, down to the last second. May buzzer beater pa tayo, Coach John.
Yes, napakaganda. Ganda ng pag-iisip nun ni Llanes na feeling niya mapuputukan na siya ng shot clock at maubusan ng oras at ayun na-feel niya na kaya ko pang ihabol at ayun, na-shoot. At sana makita yung replay na yun.
That's right. To start the second quarter naman, here comes Tolentino sinking the first triple of the second period. 23-22, 1-point lead na lang ang Saints basketball here. Pero ito, grabe. So Latan says no, bringing the lead back to 4, 26-22.
Magandang matchup dito pa rin, partner. Ang daming linabas pero tingnan mo naman yung second five na ipinasok.
Wilson able to evade that defense netong si Tan, pero merong foul tayo away from the basketball.
Yes, isang veterano na galing PBA, Wilson. Magandang matchup din to para sa mga Saints, mga nakaputi.
Exactly. Wilson on the line, making it count. 26-23, 9 and 17 left here in the first half.
Yes, partner. Isa rin to. Kaabang-abang din to. Desiganyo. Isa rin yan. Mainit din yan. Sa larangan ng basketball, tingnan natin kung ano ipapakita niya ngayong gabi.
Exactly. Napakatalino nito ni Desiganyo. Really, his basketball IQ is off the charts. Especially reverse layup, no good. C will put it back in and will clean up the mess.
Grabe, no? Parang hindi sila 40. Etong si C at saka si Prada. Isa rin yan, mainit din yan. Ibang klase ang level IQ na ng mga player na yan bilang 40.
Kick out. Long two right here from the baseline. Coming from Rance Gingab. 28-24 is the score. Sorry, 28-26. My mistake.
Yes, puro big man, partner. Ang kumakamada. Sabi ni C, sabi ni Parada. Ako naman, Pradas.
Sablay ang one dribble pull up ni Gingab, and here comes Saints basketball again. Looking to extend their lead. Pradas asking for the ball. So marquee matchup. Pradas against Wilson, and perfect defense neto ni Wilson. Able to block that shot. Leodones. Give and go play, Coach John. Ang ganda.
Yes. Basang-basa nila yung isa't isa. Tumatakbo lang, ilagay lang yung bola. At tingnan mo naman to si C, magsisilo. Wow, big to big partner.
Yes.
Ibang klase yun.
Battle of the Giants, Battle of the Titans right here between Fire Chief and Saints Basketball. And kita naman natin, dikit na dikit yung laro, 30-28.
Yes, partner. Kung kanina, paramihan ng gasolina dito, palakasan ng kaha.
Palakasan ng kaha, indeed. Zabalia with that fall away on the left side. Nilinis pa yung ring
Yes.
before finding the bottom of the net. Tolentino pump fake, inside floater. Too sweet.
Yes, napaka-basic lang kay Tolentino yung tira na yun. At pero eto, inaatake. Tingnan natin kung magandang finish nga ba.
Pradas is asking for the ball again.
3 seconds violation.
Yan yung problem natin no, sa mga bigs. Kasi once they're trying to attack the basket, nag-overstay sila dun sa shade. Now, Coach John, mabalik tayo kay MG Balida. I think may balita naman siya para sa atin.
VCAP fans, just an update with Ice de la Cruz from Fire Chief. He got a minor injury in his nose in the first quarter. According to Aaron Mendoza from the medic team, he was lucky. It was just a little scratch. When I asked Ice, he told me he is blessed that he feels perfectly fine and will 100% go back to the court as soon as possible. Let's all wait for that. But for now, back to you, Win and Coach John.
Maraming salamat sa update there dito kay Ice de la Cruz. Yung konting galos lang naman talaga. Kayang-kayang maglaro niyan.
Yes, kumbaga usapang basketball, ang sasabihin lang yan, malayo pa sa bituka. Pero syempre, love nila to eh, passion nila to. At dito sila nag-i-enjoy. Kaya yung mga ganyang pangyayari, walang-wala pa yan.
Yep.
Iindahin lang nila yan, pero pag uwi sa bahay, dun niya nila marirealize.
Exactly. After all, this is the quarterfinals nga naman. Talagang kahit dumugo ng konti yan. Ako, replay on.
Yes, yun ang basketball Pinoy.
Yes.
At tingnan mo naman yung banggaan ng dalawang mama, Wilson saka Pradas. Iba yung tempo dito ng basketball second game natin. Yung first game, medyo takbuhan, kapaan, tansyahan. Dito hindi eh. Rektahan bakbakan ka agad, palakasan ng katawan. Pag hindi kaya ng katawan mo, talagang may iwan ka.
Exactly.
Pag hindi malakas yung katawan mo, titirik ka. So dito, iba. Iba ang level ng basketball sa second quarter.
Exactly. Talagang sukatan ng lakas between Fire Chief and Saints Basketball. Tolentino. Oh, escaping is Gingab, able to evade his defender and put it up off the glass. Napakaganda ng move ni Gingab. Wilson gets it. 3-on-1 break. Gingab will bank it home. 35-36. 1 point lead na tayo dito para sa Fire Chief.
Yes, napakaganda. Pinapakita ng parehong team. At ayun na nga, sayang lang yung pagkakataon na yun. Good intention. Kaso nga lang, hindi tumama ng ring.
Exactly. Well, looks like he's getting challenged by Wilson talaga. No? Every time he touches the ball, gusto niya na tapatan itong si Wilson. Leodones floater. Way off the mark and meron tayong foul dito from Fire Chief.
Yes, medyo lambingan, pisikalan ang kanilang basketball dito. Pero ang maganda rito, sports lang.
Yes, sir.
Yes, pero syempre, nandyan naman ang ating magigiting, magagaling na referee, handang pumito. Kapag kanila nakita na mali at foul, sigurado, pipituan ka dyan. At eto nga, partner, medyo may reklamo lang doon sa pag-inboundan. Medyo,
alam mo, matataas ang IQ nitong mga player na to, Coach John, like you. You're able to see those small details ng laro. No?
Yes.
They will contest talaga sa mga officials if they feel that they're right.
yes. Kasi ito, tulad ito, gusto ng isolation. Wow!
Pradas, really?
Grabe naman yun, partner. Parang hindi ako maniwala dun sa depensa ni... Pero medyo na-slide na si Wilson. At ayun nga, yung na-slide dito si Wilson, inatake ka agad yung Pradas.
He looks to me, coach, na he recognized that the hip of Wilson was on the other side, kaya inatake niya agad on the right.
In-iso niya isolation Nakita niyo yung weakness nadulas, inatake niya kaagad. Pero yun nga lang, sayang, may foul counted sana, pero hindi niya na-shoot.
Looks to me itong si playing coach Ronald Tubid is making a move right here for Fire Chiefs. No, nag-field agad siya ng, I don't know if this was the mandatory substitution, pero mukhang tatapatan nila si Pradas.
Yes, feeling ko parang gusto nang pumasok din ni Coach Ronald Tubid dyan Yun yung mga gusto niyang labanan ng basketball. Yung isolation, yung up and under, sabay. Easy basket lang sa kanila. Mamaya mapapanood natin yan. Aabangan ko si Bonbon Custodio.
Castillo again, making his second field goal of the night. That was a pretty pull-up jumper neto ni Castillo.
At syempre, lalabas yung malakas, papasok yung mas malakas. Malabanan in.
.35 3-point lead now by Fire Chief Cura Industries against Saints Basketball. 4:35 po ang nalalabi sa oras dito sa first half. Mangiat again. Pulls up, drills another three.
Stay composed.
Yes.
Binabasa niya yung sitwasyon, nakikita niya kung paano atakihin, at ayun, iniwan ng konting puwang, tumira, pasok.
Yes,
Napakaganda
that
ng
is-
IQ ng basketball itong mamang ito. At ayun na naman, ayaw mapagod.
Mangiat really is standing in, siya yung fire starter nitong Saints basketball. No? Kita mo naman yung IQ.
Walang
ni Mangiat.
pawis.
Walang pawis. Tapos talagang tinitira niya every time making a decision. We're gonna go on a quick break, Coach John. Magbabalik kami.
My ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This Everbest moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Returning to you live here in AFP Wellness Center inside Camp Aguinaldo. This is V-Cup 40 Up Legends League, the quarterfinals. Ang laban before your screens, Fire Chief against Saints Basketball. Dikit po, 39-38.
Yes, sobrang dikit ng score, sobrang dikit din ng depensa, partner. Kaya mahihirapan ka talaga dito makapuntos.
De La Cruz with that high arcing pull-up. Sablay nga lang. Here comes Saints Basketball. Aquino. Kick out. Malabanan with the ball. Great defense here by Custodio. Fumbles the ball away. And ito, may foul na nakuha ang ating official right there on that loose ball. They're looking at it and clarifying.
Now number 22. Jerry's on a second personal foul. Second team foul, Saints.
Clearly may foul, and itong si ating official medyo talagang strict, no? Eagle eye ang ating mga officials.
Yes, talaga kailangan nilang manood at tumawag ng foul dahil nga medyo iba ang tempo ng basketball nitong dalawang kupunan. Pareho matalino, pareho malakas, pareho kondisyon. At ayun nga lang, hindi lang napasok ni Faundo ang kanyang free throw.
Isa sa mga gusto kong tinitignan sa mga larong to, yung mga sapatos, na mga weapon of choice nitong mga players na to. Look at Faundo, mismatch yung kanyang sapatos.
Yes, napakaganda. At ito rin kay Gustillo na napakaganda ng kanyang sapatos.
Kobe gold medal. Game within the game. Back in action tayo. Deadlock tayo, Coach John. 39 apiece between Saints Basketball and Fire Chief.
Iyat again. Short.
short this time. This-
Siyempre, si Paundo, pulot-pulot.
Yes.
At ayun na nga, partner, may tinawagan ng technical.
Right. Medyo madami na yung kino-contest na itong bench ng Saints basketball. Over fouls and loose balls. No? Clearly, it was Rosales who was reaching for the ball against Faundo, and that was a personal foul. Kino-contest ng ating coach, Dave Gomez and Chad Sarmiento.
Pero para sa akin, partner, sana itong Saint, mag-focus na lang sila sa game plan nila.
Right.
Hantayin lang muna nila. Malayo pa naman to Maganda naman ang labanan Dikdikan, bakbakan, dikit ang score. Maganda naman na pareho ang pinapakita ng team. So mag-focus lang muna sila kasi baka doon sila masira. Maging isang factor, maging problema nila. Sa dulo yan, yung ginagawa nila.
Oo, highly possible yun. No? As the frustrations build up, really they need to focus more on the actual game rather than the complaints.
At eto nga, lumapit si Custodio. Yayabangan tayo ng 8 3 points. Tingnan natin kung talaga nga ba magkakatotoo yan. At ayun, napakaganda ng assist ni Manggian.
Sayawan with a rebound and Aquino will finish for Saints basketball.
Napakaganda naman ng pulot at pasa ni Sayawan doon.
And that's exactly the kind of basketball that they need to execute right here. And here comes Custodio. Medyo nagpapainit pa siya. Mid-range muna yung pinapakita niya sa'yo, Coach John.
Yes, basic na basic yan Ganyan talaga yan. Pag ako nakikita niyan, inaangasan ako niyan ng Custodio na yan. Isa rin kasi sa mga mentor ko na talagang minsan nagtatanong ako sa kanya, ano ba yung magaganda at ayun, may natawagan ng foul.
And Custodio is scratching his head as De La Cruz picked up his foul against Saints basketball right here. 2-28, deadlock pa rin tayo at 41.
Yes, ang ganda ng matchup, ang ganda talaga ng pinapakita both teams. Siyempre, yung Ronald Tubid, feeling ko kating-kating na yung paa
Yes.
at kamay niyan Gustong kumamata rin sa loob.
Talagang hindi rin siya napapagod dishing out instructions sa kanyang koponan. Here comes Custodio. Leads the break to Gustilo. Attacks to the left. Ito si Gustillo goes to his strong side pa din. Kahit medyo libre na siya dun sa kanan.
Yes, iba yung pinapakita, iba yung tapang ng Gustilo.
Right.
Iba yung composure niya dito sa game na to.
San Jose against Aquino. The guards really testing each other out. Sayawan. Walang makitang bakanting space. Mangziat again. Blocked away by Faundo. What a great defensive sequence nitong Fire Chief. No? They forced that shot clock expiration na walang nakatira dito sa Saints.
Yes, good D para sa mga naka-blue. Dahil nga sa block na yun, magra-run itong naka-blue. Tingnan natin kung makakakuha sila ng magandang puntos. At ayun na nga.
Narinig ka. And who other than Gustilo, no, who knocked down another layup kanina just a few seconds ago. This time, mid-range jumper naman. Rosales forced that one in. Custodio all the way to the cup here in V-Cup. And ito, prompted itong ating Saints basketball for a timeout to stop the bleeding right here. We could see celebrating na itong Fire Chief too early. Pero nakikita naman natin na talagang nag-build up na sila ng momentum. So Coach John, magbabalik tayo magmuli dito sa V-Cup 40 Up Division.
Hindi nawawala ang laro kapag tumira.
Returning to you live here in AFP Wellness Center, and there,
Sayang
certainly a
naman.
miscommunication. Sayang talaga, Coach John, no? Hindi nagkatinginan at nagkaintindihan tong dalawang to.
Yes, pagkakataon na yun, yung timeout na yun at ma-execute nila ng maayos ang kanila
right.
yung bola. Pero ito, nasayang yung bola. Tingnan natin, ito mga naka-blue kung makakapaggawa ng magandang sitwasyon. At ayun na naman, partner.
Gustilo with it. Easy put back.
Yan talagang trabaho ng Paundo.
Yes.
Pulot-pulot lang, kaya nga sabi niya, 69, bilog ang mundo, magbaliktaran man. Makukuha at makukuha niya yung sitwasyon. At ayun nga, yung sitwasyon.
Yes.
Paundo.
He's not giving up on the play. Napakaganda ng kanyang positioning. Down low, and ito, nakakuha ng foul tayo. Natawagan ng foul.
Yes, napakaganda. Medyo nagulangan lang, pero mas magulang si Aquino.
Right.
At siya ang naunahan doon. Nakita ng referee itong si San Jose.
Oo. Pero great show of sportsmanship there. Able to acknowledge yung mistake niya. No? Meron nga namang contact. Pero right now, bibigyan ng technical free throw. Itong si Aquino.
Technical or penalty?
Oh, penalty na tayo.
Tama,
Right.
penalty. Yes, sayang. So dapat pagkakataon para makapuntos dapat hindi sinasayang yung salitang free throw, partner. Dapat diyan number 1 mataas ang porsyento mo
Right.
para makashoot.
1 of 2 ang tira ni Aquino from the line, and another timeout is called by Fire Chief care of playing coach Ronald Tubid. Magbabalik kami ni Coach John para sa pagpapatuloy ng first half.
My ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This Everbest moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Magbabalik muli ang V-Cup 40 Above Legends Division. This is the quarterfinals between Saints Basketball against Fire Chief Cura Industries. Under 30 seconds na lamang tayo here. 49-42 ang score. Custodio, fall away. Another offensive board and another trip to the line.
At ayun na nga, partner. May tinawag itong referee. Technical daw.
Malabanan is clearly contesting each call against Faundo, especially sa shaded area. Clearly, he's talking over the officials.
Yes, gusto mag-challenge ito ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan.
Right.
Dahil nga hindi daw tumama.
Right. To him, it's questionable, but let's look at the replay right here. Custodio with the shot, the rebound, and it looks like it was deflected from behind. Di ko kita sa angle na yun if may contact.
Yes. Good call din naman. Pero alam kong hindi sadya ni Coach Gilbert yun, pero tumama So, kahit hindi ganun kalakas, pero naitawag ng referee. So, possible, free throw talaga at may contact, may foul talaga.
Faundo makes his second free throw, making it 52-42, 10-point lead, 20 seconds on the clock. Malabanan inside. 10 seconds on the clock. Malabanan against Faundo right here, sizing each other up. Wild shot. And that's the end of the first half. Ang ating score is 52-42, a 10-point lead. Netong Fire Chief led by Coach Ronald Tubid. And it was Faundo really frustrating a lot of players right here. Let's look at the first half highlights here on our screen.
Yes, partner. At habang wala pa itong highlights, ito nga, partner.
Official score natin, again, 52-42, 10-point lead ng Fire Chief Cura Industries. Magbabalik na lamang tayo sa ating broadcast in just a bit.
ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This ever best moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Hindi nawawala ang laro. Kapag tumira ay laging pasok. Pumapalag kahit kanino to. Kahit abutin ang 40 to. Pakita lang ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga.
Literal na may kulang sa laro. Seryoso't hindi nagbibiro. Pag umapak na sa court ay walang sinasanto. Maangas gumalaw, halata na veterano. Nakikipagsabayan, lumalaban hanggang dulo. Kung usapan ay basketball, hindi magpapatalo. Pag minama, sigurado na magtatanda. Pinatunayang kalabaw lang ang tumatanda.
Wala ang laro. Kapag tumira ay laging pasok. Pumapalag kahit kanino to. Kahit abutin ang 40 to. Dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Wala ang laro. Kapag tumira ay laging pasok. Pumapalag kahit kanino to. Kahit
My ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This ever best moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
hindi nawawala ang laro. Kapag tumira ay laging pasok. Pumapalag kahit kanino to. Kahit abutin ang 40 to. Pakita lang ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga.
Literal na may kulang sa laro. Seryoso't hindi nagbibiro. Pag umapak na sa court ay walang sinasanto. Maangas gumalaw, halata na veterano. Nakikipagsabayan, lumalaban hanggang dulo. Kung usapan ay basketball, hindi magpapatalo. Pag minama, sigurado na magtatanda. Pinatunayang kalabaw lang ang tumatanda.
Wala ang laro. Kapag tumira ay laging pasok. Pumapalag kahit kanino to. Kahit abutin ang 40 to. Dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Ipakita mo ang angas dito sa biga. Wala ang laro. Kapag tumira ay laging pasok. Pumapalag kahit kanino to. Kahit
Returning to you live here in AFP Wellness Center. This is V Cup 40 above Legends Basketball. Halftime score natin, ang official score is 52-42. 10-point lead ulit ng Fire Chief against Saints Basketball. And Coach John, kumusta yung pakiramdam? Last 2 quarters na lamang tayo nitong laban na to. Anong pakiramdam mo? Sinong napupusuan mo na pwedeng manalo for both?
Para sa akin pareho, mahirap magtansya. Pero dahil sa pinapakita nila sa larong ito, deserve nila manalo. Bawat isa. Pero syempre, isa lang ang kailangan manaig. Pero
Exactly.
tingnan natin, sa third quarter, ang napaka-importante. Dahil tinapos sila yung second quarter, pagdating ng third quarter, dito ka ngayon mag-a-adjust ng malaki. Lahat ng opensa, depensa, kailangan mag-adjust na para maganda ang pasok ng fourth quarter. At kung sino yung magandang adjustment dito sa third quarter, siya ang mananaig para sa mananalo ng fourth quarter.
Exactly. Ito na yung, tapos na yung amuyan portion, tapos na yung kapaan portion. No? This is, we talked about it, and para sa mga live viewers natin, and para sa manonood ng mga recording, ang third quarter on each game based on experience na rin namin ni Coach John is very pivotal. Ito yung turning point ng isang laro.
Yes, diyan talaga kukuha ka ng yung mga mali, yung mga tama. So, lahat isi-segregate mo na. So, lahat ididetalye mo na. Dahil napaka-importante ng third quarter, doon kayo mag-a-adjust. And kung ano yung hindi dapat mangyari nung last quarter, kailangan hindi na pwede mangyari sa third quarter para maganda pa din wala sa fourth quarter.
Right. Ito, back and forth agad ang pinakita ni Hate, and then the other side naman, si Faundo ulit. Floater and a jumper ang nagbalikan, nagsagutan tong dalawang to.
Yes, sa ngayon, big man ang nakikinabang ng floor at pagdating naman dito sa mga naka-blue, talagang maganda rin depensa. At pagdating naman dito sa mga nakapote, ready silang saluhin ito mga naka-blue.
That's right. Custodio picked up a foul against C here. Si C na-frustrate siya nung nawala yung bola sa kamay niya. Very sneaky. Itong si Custodio, naagaw niya yung bola. 54-44 is the score. 8:50 left here in the third. Custodio first. Shoot first. Top of the key. Custodio knocks it down.
Yes, sinukat yung depensa eh. Nailang dun si Hawkins. Pero tinirahan lang siya harapan at eto si Wilson. Tingnan natin to si Tolentino kung anong gagawin. Open si Custodio.
Custodio is orchestrating the play here, asking for isolation. Inside. He will be fouled. And Saints basketball is again contesting yung tawag. Tinatawag nilang traveling.
Magulang eh. Yun yung sinasabi, magulang eh. Nakita niya na ahawakan siya. Talagang diniin niya hanggang sa ilalim ng ring. At ayun, nakapagpasabit pa.
Exactly. Tsaka alam niya na his body frame is really almost double na tong kanyang defender na si Taniegra. And nakakapitalize niya yun, no? Na-take advantage niya yun.
Yes, yung advantage and disadvantage, nakita niya yun. Eh, nakita niya, mas malaki siya doon kay Taniegra. Yun nga, nagawa niya ng paraan yun.
Exactly. Taniegra naman goes to Hate on the other end for Saints basketball. Launches the triple. Way off the mark. Pangalawang air ball na to dito sa laro na to from deep. Taniegra right here. 59-44 ang ating score. 7:55 left.
Yes, medyo lumalayo ng itong Fire Chief. Kailangan na madepensahan itong mga naka-blue. At ayun na nga, natawagan ng travel. Nag-alangan na ito si Paundo sa kanyang dribble drive. At ayun nga, nauwi sa turnover. Pati siya nagulat.
Well, credits to the way that C and itong si Hawkins defended him, no? Na medyo nalito siya sa sarili niyang pivot foot. Pero lumobo na yung kalamangan ng Fire Chief here. Coach John, 15 points na ang kailangan burahin nitong Saints basketball.
Yes, kailangan itong magising na rin itong mga nakapote dahil ilalayo yan. Pero sabi ni Hawkins, itatry ko naman.
Yep. Itong si Hawkins hasn't been touching the basketball. On the other end naman, Tolentino will lay it up uncontested for Fire Chief Kira and the Saints.
At eto nga, partner.
Magbabalik tayo after this timeout ng Saints basketball.
My ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This Everbest moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Back in action here in V-Cup 40 above Legends League. This is the quarterfinals matchup between Saints basketball and Fire Chief. Oh, ito na si Hawkins. Sabi mo, sizing up pa lang siya. Pangalawang attempt niya finds the bottom of the net.
Yes, Napakaganda na ginagawa ni Hawkins. Yung mga ganyan-ganyan yung depensa, yung trash talk, nakakatulong din yan sa loob ng court.
Right.
Pero yun nga, nakuha niya yung natansya niya yung 3 points, itinirahan niya kagad.
Exactly. On the other end naman, missed floater nito ni Custodio. And Saints basketball looking to counter right here. Zabala lost it. He gets it back. Loose ball, fumble, tumble. Tolentino, 2-on-1. Pocket pass to Gostilo. Switching from right hand to left. What a finish. What a fantastic finish ni Gustilo.
Yes, ang ganda ng finish na ito ni Gustilo.
Yes.
Iba yung klase yung finish niya Yung kaliwa.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng decision making niya I-finish niya ng kaliwa
Hawkins again, same spot, different result. Will airball that one. Taniegra, another miss for Saints basketball. Tolentino again, all the way on the other end. That's gonna be a big question mark na kailangan sagutin nitong Saints basketball. Bakit laging libre si Tolentino on the fast break?
Medyo nagre-relax itong mga nakapote. Pag nag-turnover sila, nakakalimutan nilang bumaba na meron na palang nauuna itong mga naka-blue.
Exactly. Lumulobo na ang lamang. Pero let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MG. Anong balita dyan sa side na yan?
In the huddle of Saints during the halftime break, Butel said that they showed a good defense in the first half, so they will use that as their weapon entering the second half. The team was quite frustrated with the calls on the team, but Ariel Aquino said something to calm down the team. Laruin lang natin to. Abangan natin how will this game unfold for them. But for now, back to you, Will and Coach John.
Thanks again for bringing those insights sa amin ni Coach John. No? And it's important na nagpa-pile up na yung frustration nitong Saints basketball. It's important na meron kang vocal leader sa team na would try to calm things down.
Yes, kailangan talaga yung sinasabing pacifier.
Yes.
Sa loob ng court, meron din sa bench. So, kailangan doon. Kailangan din makinig nila sa bawat isa para hindi nasisira yung laro. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, Coach Will. Kanina nga, masyado sila nagfo-focus sa mga tawag ng referee sa kung ano nangyayari na dapat mag-focus muna sila sa game plan nila, kung anong ginagawa nila sa floor. So, ito nga, naka-apekto. Pagpasok ng third quarter, medyo linayuan sila. Ito mga naka-blue.
Yes. Lumayo talaga indeed. Ang score natin ngayon is 65-48, 5-21. Dito tayo sa pivotal third period. But there's still a lot of basketball to play here. Madaming oras pa, isang buong quarter pa. Inside, what a feed. Poundo with the finish. Iba rin yung IQ neto ni Tolentino.
Yes. Iba yung patience na
Yes.
pinapakita nito mga naka-blue. At eto nga, landing spot yun.
Right. Clearly, nandun pa siya sa landing spot, no? Dun sa tinatawag natin na landing spot. Yung hemisphere na yon, that would prompt the official to give Mangiat 3 shots.
Yes, partner. Parang ang nangyari kasi, actually hindi sa landing spot Yung in-extend niya pa yung bat niya, yung puwet niya. So talagang matutumba yung tumira dun sa ginawa ni Castillo.
Very important free throws tong tinitira ni Mangiat kasi ito, pwede na ulit nilang simulan yung apoy. Kumbaga, fire starter ito. 3 uncontested shots and then perfect from the line. Mangiat making it 67-51.
Yes, kailangan na mag-stay composed itong mga nakaputi dahil itong mga naka-blue talagang ginagawa lang nila yung kanilang sistema. Kaya napakaganda ng kanilang basketball pinapakita.
Right. Custodio inside. Spins. Splashes.
Imagine mo na ba? Easy basket lang yung nangyayari dito para sa Fire Chief. Pag dito naman sa mga nakaputi itong Saints, parang hirap na hirap sila kumuha ng puntos katulad niyan.
Exactly. And frustrated na talaga itong players ng Saints basketball. It was Ate this time. He was fouled. But I think it's part of the strategy nitong Fire Chief, no? Napahirapan talaga sa opensa itong Saints basketball.
Yes, dahil nga may sistema sila, pati sa depensa, yung help the helper.
Yep.
Pag medyo maluwag yung depensa, talaga nagsasag sila. Manubol, itong nangyayari dito sa mga naka-blue. Kaya madali nilang makontest kung tumitira itong mga nakaputi.
Exactly. Hate, another shot will be given to him. So he's smiling. Clearly still having fun, no? Kahit medyo malayo na yung hinahabol nila. Masaya pa rin to play basketball alongside your peers, yung mga dati mong kasamahan. Staying competitive, kumbaga.
Yes, at tinan mo, lumalayo ang score. Pero etong Fire Chief, kalmado lang sila.
Yes.
Dahil alam nilang paninindigan nila yung kalamangan at ayun, nadagdagan pa.
Effective play nitong Fire Chief, really sharing the ball really well. That was another three-pointer. Extending the lead 72-53. Wilson to Gustilo. Custodio. Perfect pump fake and step through ni Custodio.
Napakaganda naman. Nakita ko yun sa San Miguel pa. At saka sa UE. Yung mga ganong ball fake niya. Sabay isang step lang.
He still got it, sabi nga nila.
Yes, sa iba yun matatravel pa. Pero sa kanya parang napakasimple lang.
Yes. Custodio is an ageless scoring machine, and swerte ng Fire Chief to have him wear that jersey for them. Let's look at that. Custilo. And that pump fake step through neto ni Custodio. What a pretty finish.
Grabe. Muscle memory na ata yung ganong coach.
Yes.
Yung parang walang ka-effort eh. Para lang siyang Sunday group. Para siya naglalaro sa mga Tuesday group.
Yep. Wilson gets it. Custodio again runs the break against Hate, who pushes him over. But there was a foul call against Hate right there. Grabe yung atake ni Custodio there.
Ibang klase. Pati ako, napapahanga ako sa kanyang ginagawa dito. 40 na ba yan? Parang pwede bang iprotesta ng 40 yan? Parang hindi pa. Parang gusto kong sabihin Kuya Bon, nasa 40 ka na ba talaga?
Sana naririnig ka niya ngayon, no? Parang hindi naman 40.
40 ka na ba? 40 ka na ba? Iba yung 40 mo
Oh, it's getting physical right here. Nakita ko yun. Se is frustrated after that hack nito.
Yes. So, ito na nga.
Ni Rosales.
Talagang normal sa basketball yan kapag ang kupunan mo, hirap na hirap umiscore. At didepensa ka pa. At
Look
ayun
at this. Se was sandwiched and si Rosales hacked him. And nagkaroon ng konting stare down there.
Yes. Hindi naman sadya, pero may kontring extra motion lang.
Go is open. Pump fake. Perfectly executed. Go. Evading the defense there.
Pero sabi nga nila, partner quarterfinals to. Kumbaga, hindi basta-basta ganun-ganun lang para pumasok ka ng semifinals.
Exactly.
Pahirapan.
Kontra rin naman to pahirapan. Ito si Mengiat, parang ang dali rin sa kanya makabasa at makapag-decide, no? Ng mga plays, just like his three-pointer.
Yes, kinakailangan na to si Mengiat kumana dito sa third quarter dahil sigurado sa fourth quarter, ang laki ng hahabulin na kapag hindi pa to nabawasan itong kalamangan ng mga naka-blue.
What a dish by Zabala to Mengiat. A look-away pass. Zabala, Mengiat. What a deadly duo for Saints basketball. Say naman, this time another violation here, another turnover against Rosales. Back-to-back turnovers galing dito kay Se. Medyo nauutakan siya ni Rosales there. And I think we're looking at the officials trying to sort things out here. Saints basketball really talking it over and complaining, contesting the call, Coach John.
Yes. Talagang may mga part talaga na pisikalan. Talagang hindi mo makikita kung flop pa talaga o hindi. Pero syempre, iba talagang hindi flop minsan offensive parang ganun talagang kumbaga bakbakan
Right. Now I think it's official. Our referees will go to the review center and join us here to take another look, a second look on that last sequence between Fire Chief and Saints basketball. Again, sa mga viewers natin live in Facebook, we're taking a quick review of what happened there between Se and Rosales. Se dipped his shoulder and really initiated the contact. Anong tingin mo dun sa sequence na yun, Coach John?
Kung para sa akin kasi, may charging zone eh.
Right.
Pero syempre, moving siya, hindi pa naka-establish, eh talagang may itatawag talaga eh.
Right. Although one of the things that was questionable for me on that angle was parang in-extend niya yung forearm niya before the actual bump.
Yes.
Right? Take another look at here. Rosales was down on the floor.
Hindi, parang
There we
feeling ko
have it.
partner, talagang hindi niya kakayanin yung pagsagasa. Talagang dalawang klaseng yung una kasing tinitingnan ng referee kung may flap doon.
Right.
Pero doon sa pangalawang pangyayari, talagang may contact doon.
Yep. And it looks to me, sabi ko nga kanina, parang na-outsmart, parang nauutakan nito ni Rosales itong si Se. Kasi clearly, Se is already frustrated on the other call before this. Na uulitin natin yung angle here. Got the ball.
Nanggigil si Se. Ayun.
Right. Clearly, he extended his forearm. Pero it's still up to the officials right here sa decision natin between Saints basketball and Fire Chief.
And after official review,
Yes, good call para sa ating referee. Tama. Talagang may contact eh. In-extend yung siko. So talagang matatawagan ng foul dun.
Right.
Well, siguro na itong si Se, nakita niya na maliit. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Minsan talaga manggigigil ka pag nakita mo maliit yun na sa humaharap sa'yo. Talagang magkagawa ka ng paraan para kainin mo siya. Pero yun nga, medyo na-extend niya dahil nga sa sobrang lakas ng pag-extend, tutumba talaga itong defender na nakaputi.
Ito, for me naman, Coach John, I think it was a retaliation. Parang bawi to ni
Yes, dahil kanina nasaktan itong si Se.
Right.
So, ginawa niya ng paraan dito sa pagbalik ng bola. Kumbaga, yung salitang sa Tagalog, bawi ako.
Bawi ako. Clearly, our officials were able to sort it over. And we're back in action right here. Ito is another angle on this battle. Clearly, Se extended his left arm and elbow to the face of Rosales.
Yes. Talagang kahit sino, tatawag talaga yun. Offensive foul.
Exactly. Pero too bad that nothing is falling for Saints basketball. Ultimo yung technical free throw ni Rosales na yun.
Yes, pero ang hinihingi atang sina-challenge yung naka-blue, may flap na una na natumba, pero hindi nga nakuhanan yun ng referee dahil nakatayo naman kaagad. At ayun, naunahan.
Yep.
Nautakan din na nakaputi ito naka-blue.
Inside C against Faundo. Finds Mangiat. Baseline right here. 8 seconds on the shot clock.
Oh!
In and out ng tira ni Mangiat.
Ang ganda naman nun, partner. Sayang.
It rolled away too bad. And ito naman, 3-man weave. Custodio gets it back. Another interception by Saints basketball.
At ito, malabanan. Sinukat. Ang ganda naman ng extra pass na yun.
Yes.
Pero wala pa rin. Eto na, baseball na. Sabi, teka lang, relax lang, kalma lang. Pero may trailer partner. Sigurado yun, tatawagan.
Automatic yun sa ating mga eagle eye officials na traveling. Pero again, ang intention ng Fire Chief every time they touch the basketball, every time they rebounded, talagang share the ball. Walang nag-isolation, walang nagiging too aggressive, no?
Yes, ang ganda ng intention dun. May trailer ka na bumababa. Tapos yun nga, parang kumbaga, ini-ensayo yun eh. Minsan 3-man wave yun. So yun nga, pero medyo nagulat siya na binigay kagad yung bola kaya late yung dribble niya.
Right. Inside C. Stolen by Custodio. Here comes go again. Chased down by Rosales. And to me, that's a frustration foul na ni Rosales.
Yes. Yun na yun. Tama ka, coach. Frustration foul na yung mga ganun. Pero siyempre, masusubukan itong Sigo kung
Yep.
makukuha niya ang 2 free throw. At ayun na nga.
There you go. Look at that dish ni Custodio. And the push off there was the left hand, no?
Yes, yung sinasabing pasabit.
Right.
Gulangan na lang, pasabit na lang.
Go Saints, the first one, making it 77-59 right here. 39 seconds na lamang tayo dito sa third period.
At eto, si Malabanan na nagagwardya. Tingnan natin kung paano niya ititimon ang kanyang kupunan. Pero syempre, kailangan nilang pumuntos dahil lumalayo ang kalamangan.
Right, Rosales will attack to the right. Pero ang daming contact and will prompt the referee to call for pushing foul. 25.8 left here in this ball game. 14 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Saints basketball to execute the play.
Yes, sana aware dito ng itong mga nakaputi sa kanilang shot clock.
Great defense by Fire Chief. Able to put a body on each shooter. Open for 3. Takes it. Will miss. And ito na, nagkakaroon na ng hatakan right here. De La Cruz and Zabalia.
Yes, masyadong minadali yung tira na yun, partner. Kung ako yun kung para sa akin lamang naman tayo. Tapusin natin yung third quarter ng isang magandang puntos.
Right.
Dahil sigurado, mas maganda yung kumpiyansa pagdating ng fourth quarter.
Tapos the situation pa was 3 against 2, no? So really outnumbered nila yung players on that fast break. Another rush shot right here. 2 seconds on the clock. Mangiat with it and will beat the clock. Absolutely, it's crystal clear. Mangiat beats the clock, making it 78-61 to end the third period. Yan ang ating score. Lamang na lamang po ang Fire Chief basketball right here. Looking at the third quarter highlights.
Yes, pagdating nga sa itong mga naka-blue, ito si Custodio, minama lang itong mga nakaputi. At pagdating naman kay Go, tinirahan ng 3. Suwak na suwak, walang problema. At syempre, pagdating kay Manggiyat, sabi niya, ako din, kaya ko rin yan. At syempre, at ayun, ibaba nilang kalamangan. Pero ni si Manggiyat, nagtatrabaho, easy layup para sa kanya. At ito naman nangyari, partner, sa third quarter. Kaya ito,
78-61 our official score to end the third quarter. We're gonna go to the fourth and final one in just a moment. Magbabalik kami ni Coach John.
My ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This Everbest moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Returning to you live here in AFP Wellness Center inside Camp Aguinaldo. This is V-Cup 40 Above Legends League quarterfinal game again between Fire Chief against Saints basketball right here. This is the fourth and final one. Last 10 minutes na tayo. Coach John, may pag-asa pa ba itong Saints basketball based on the actual score and gameplay?
para sa akin, partner, kung ako ay isang manlalaro at aking kupunan yan, syempre, malaki pang pag-asa. Mahabang minuto, marami pang pwede mangyari. Basta stay together, stay composed. Kung ano yung ating sitwasyon, yung situational opensa-depensa. So, kailangan lang natin gawin yun para makahabol tayo dito sa kalamangan ng mga naka-blue.
Tanyegra with the 3 and Custodio shows off his handles and his range. What a pretty floater. Bawian agad si Custodio there on that 3-pointer nitong Saints basketball. Cross court. Tanyegra again to Butel. Double teamed. Another 3-pointer from the side. Another triple. Tanyegra second 3-pointer here in the fourth period.
At ito na nga, partner. Trumatrabaho na itong mga nakaputi.
Right, let's look at that again one more time. Custodio shows off his handles, wala nakaagaw. decelerated, no? Nag-decelerate siya to make a quick pass and floater.
Parang nag-skills training lang siya. Behind the back, nag-hesitation move, one leg, binasa lang at ayun, napakaganda ng one shot niya dun.
That's right. And this time naman, itong si Wilson able to escape. Wow, what a pretty finish. And adding insult to injury, meron pang foul.
Yes, pareho pro.
Right.
Hindi nagpakitang gilas dun sa skills na yun.
And Wilson completes his end one play, making it 83-67. A dominant and commanding lead ng Fire Chief. 8:30 left here in the fourth and final period. And ito, si Tolentino naman is getting aggressive sa kanyang depensa.
Yes, masyado maaga yung foul na yun na binigay. Dapat pag mga ganitong sitwasyon, fourth quarter, tipirin nyo yung foul.
Right.
Medyo gamitin nyo ng maayos dahil sigurado makakatulong yun para mamaya. At
You know, Taniegra is feeling it. Heat check moment na ito kasi that's his third triple. But again, itong Fire Chief basketball really is quick on their wit. And yung basketball IQ nila to go for fast breaks.
yes, at ito nga, bumibilis yung puntusan itong parehong kupunan. At ayun na nga, stepping on the line.
Right. Tama ka nga, Coach John, no? You can't give up on the game. 85-70, madami pang oras.
Yes.
Look at this. Taniegra, this is his third triple here, just here in the fourth period.
Yes, sana magtuloy-tuloy yan para talaga may angat niya ang kanyang kupunan. At pero eto, mga naka-blue, naiwan ng open sa ilalim.
Yes. You know, I gotta give credit to Custodio's ability to bring the ball down. No? Hindi siya nagpapanik, able to orchestrate that play.
Medyo nagbago yung tempo ng basketball dito, partner. Medyo mabilis ang iskoran. At kailangan pumuntos ng dalawang koponan. At eto nga, syempre, eto mga nakaputi, naghahabol. At eto mga nakablue, medyo kinakain nila yung depensa nito mga nakaputi.
Exactly. 87-70 ang score. 7:27 left here in this ball game. Taniegra again. He's feeling it. And ito, may contact on that jumper.
Meron, sumabit yung kamay, partner. Yun yung sinasabi kanina ni Hawkins na pag tumitira sila, nahabol yung kamay, hindi tinatawagan. Pero yun, tinawagan na.
And Taniegra has been knocking down his shots from deep, also from the line. Hindi pa too late ito. A lot of time left. Taniegra 2 for 2 so far. 87-72.
At syempre, partner, para mabuo itong ligang to, pasalamatan natin mga sponsor din natin. Yung B-Sports at itong B-Works.
Yep.
At syempre, sa 5Tech Media Solution.
Yep, making it all possible right here sa gantong kagandang liga, gantong kagandang coverage. Thank you so much, 5Tech Media Solutions.
At partner, saan ba ito napapanood nga pala itong live nila? May malamang marami tayong viewers dyan. Maichismis nila kung paano napapanood itong V-Cup. At sigurado, para lalo lumawak ang ating social media.
Absolutely, we're still coming to you live. Bukod dito sa AFP Wellness Center na pwede niyo kami mapanood in person. We're live in our Facebook page at V Sports Basketball, Instagram at V Sports PH, at sa YouTube. So, Coach John, no, at V-Sports PH.
Yes.
Sobrang dami ng activity ng ating social media platforms, and pwede silang makinig, pwede silang manood, and show their support and reactions, their comments online.
Yes. At eto na nga, bola ng mga naka-blue. Tolentino, i-inbound. Tingnan natin kung anong play na napakaganda ang kanilang iraran dito.
And we both know na napakabilis ng turnover nitong Fire Chief sa pag-execute ng mga play, no? Pero this time they're trying. Looks like man-to-man defense na ang pinapakita ng Saints basketball right here. Taniegra has been very instrumental especially nitong fourth period.
Yes, at least nag-step up ito si Tanyegra dahil itong si Manggia at medyo offline sa 3 points na.
Yes.
At hinahanap na siya ng kanyang koponan.
Go with the ball to Faundo. Faundo against Butel. Perfect pump fake. Tolentino unable to get it. 6 and 25 left here. 73-87 is the score. Still a very commanding lead. Pero itong Saints basketball nagtatry ng magkaroon ng momentum. Pero ayan, sablay yung tira ni Rosales right there.
Wow. Napakagulang.
Right. Custodio able to accelerate and decelerate perfectly, timing it perfectly. And dito naman, bibigyan siya ng foul and free throws.
Mahirap talagang susundot ka sa ganitong mama. Yung ganitong laruan, sabay susundot ka talagang hindi siya magdadalawang isip na pasabitin ka.
Precisely. Perfect from the line itong si Custodio, talagang making it count. Now, Coach John, let's turn it over. Meron pa atang insights na i-share itong si MG Balida. MG?
VCAP fans, our two teams tonight has both high caliber players, and one of the biggest things that they can do to survive is to remember their why or what keeps them going. For Coach Gilbert Malabanan of Saints, it is his passion for playing and coaching basketball, and that will be their tool in thriving for more points. Meanwhile, for the Fire Chief, collectively, it is because they want to have fun. They have known each other for 5 whole years, so the familiarity and chemistry has been established, and they will capitalize on that in the final quarter of this ball game. Now back to you, Will and Coach John.
Thanks again, MG. And it's important, no, for a coach to really send that kind of message na kahit na medyo tambak na tayo and about to be to lose, it's important pa rin to have fun and go back to the grassroots. Bakit ba natin to ginagawa? Bakit ba tayo naglalaro?
Yes, tama yan pa, Coach. Dapat yan ang attitude talaga ng isang player na kahit anong mangyari, lamang man o malaki man yung lamang or alam mong hindi nyo na kayang makahabol. Pero syempre, this is a passion basketball na mahal natin. Dapat respetuhin natin pag nasa loob tayo ng court. Let's play together, let's have fun, and enjoy the game. Malay mo, magbago yung ihip ng hangin.
Exactly.
At sa loob ng court, yun yung sinasabing magic bunot. Pwede kayong manalo pag nag-enjoy kayo. Hate, nagdalawang isip. Pero eto nga,
Right. Rosales will be stripped pero may foul this time.
yes, hinabol pa.
Right.
Yung foul na yun, ni Faundo.
Looks to me parang going through the motion na lang tong Fire Chief, no? They know that it's in the bag already, this victory. And yung ticket to the semi-final round.
Magandang laban yun, partner. Fire Chief, Tito Rex, yun ang kaabang-abang.
Yes.
Talagang mas madiin yun. Maraming pro, maraming batak sa laro na veterano. Sigurado, magandang quality yung ipapakita ng parehong team na yun.
That is right. Rosales knocks down the triple on the left side. Sabi mo nga, firewire against Fire Chief. It's fire against fire
Yes,
yung possible
tingnan
na
natin
mangyari.
kung sino magliliyab sa parehong may fire.
91-76 is the score. 4 and 45 left here.
Shot clock reset to 14 seconds substitution.
At eto nga, parang mini-maintain na lang. Kumbaga, etong Fire Chief, stay na lang sila. Kumbaga, composure na lang ito. Sana hindi na nila pabayaan itong kalamangan nila.
Wilson to go. Pero ito si Go. Clearly just having fun right here, running to the sideline.
Pero para sa akin, partner, Coach, malaki pa yan. Yung 4 minutes na yan. Marami pang pwede mangyari. Kung talagang may design ka para sa mga shooter, may design ka para sa mga elevator na sinasabi, quick shot, para maset mo yung shooters mo, and yung mga high post, low post mo, yung mga staggered screen, madali mong habulin yung puntusan na yan.
Precisely, no? And looks to me na itong si Tanyegra getting enough attention na after niya makashoot ng 3 beses. Kaya binabantay na rin talaga. Yun yung adjustment ni Fire Chief. Custodio to Tolentino.
Tolentino from 1 point.
Faundo will stop the play after grabbing Rosales' shoulder.
Brian Volto. Second personal foul.
Patay na nga. Duty foul na yun, partner? Or ibang klase yung mga foul dito rin, eh, no? Yakap na rin, eh. Nakakaramdam na ng pagod.
Oo. Kahit pa 93-76 yung score, no? Wala silang binibigay ng easy baskets dito sa Saints basketball. They'd rather foul than give easy basket para dito sa Saints basketball. Another foul is given. Faundo again, back-to-back personal foul against the big man. And this will send Rosales to the line to shoot 2 free throws.
After the game.
After
Kasi, syempre, tapos na.
under 4 minutes here in the fourth and final period, 3 and 54 exactly. 93-76 is the actual score.
At eto, Rosales. Ang ganda naman ng finish ng free throw niya. Pero, syempre, malaki-laki pa ang kanilang habulin, partner.
Yes.
At eto, inuubos na yung oras nitong mga naka-blue. At syempre, dapat hindi sila maging kampante dito. Kailangan pa rin na sumut.
Go. Custodio with the ball. Sizing up Rosales. He's also a great defender. Naiwan niya agad to. Then goes fall away. Too effective and too seasoned in the si Custodio. Really unstoppable.
Ibang klase yung Custodio. Iba. Pwede pa ito maglaro sa mataas na liga pa.
Yes.
Pero kinausap ko rin niya siya, eh. Sinabihan ko na rin, eh. Ayaw niya na rin. Okay na daw siya dito, masaya na siya.
Masaya na siya sa mga competitive leagues na ganito.
Angat
Hindi na
siya.
siya nagpapanalay.
Angat siya, eh.
Angat
Kaya
siya.
gusto niya dito, eh. Pero nakalaban ko yan dati sa MPBL. So talagang mahirap din talaga bantayan.
Kasi because of his build, tapos may shiftiness pa siya, no?
Yes.
Napaka-shifty and
Iba eh. Para iba yung talent niya eh.
Yes.
Kumbaga yung talent na yun, hindi yun iniinsayo eh. Kumbaga gifted eh.
yes.
Pag hawak niya yung bola, kaya niya mag-create ng puntos, kaya niyang i-manage yung time, lahat eh. Parang hindi mo alam kung pinapractice niya ba o hindi. Talagang ano na, experience na rin siguro dahil dyan sa mga, tulad niyan. Sinukat lang pero ito, napakaganda naman ng finish na yun.
Leo Dones still making it count, not giving up on the play. 2 and 30 left here. We're gonna go on a quick timeout and on a quick break at the same time. Magbabalik kami ni Coach John.
My ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This Everbest moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
All right, returning to you live again here, still in AFP Wellness Center inside Camp Aguinaldo. This is V-Cup 40 Above Legends League quarterfinals. Now, it's been a dominant performance by Fire Chief Cura Industries against Saints Basketball. It's a 20-point lead, 97-77, 2 and 24 left here in this ball game.
At ito na nga, partner. Pinasok na yung mga naka-blue na binibigyan ng minuto. Siyempre, dapat ito, solid pa rin yan.
Yes.
Yung limang yan.
Kasi
Yan yung
important pa rin to get playoff minutes, no? Iba pa rin yung pakiramdam kapag playoffs.
Yes.
Your bench players should still have that feel and that experience.
Yes, kailangan nila maglaro kasi anytime pwede silang bunutin sa next
Yes.
round. So kailangan itong pag pinasok sila dito, hindi to sinasabing garbage time eh. Ito yung dito mo makukuha yung kumpiyansa mo.
Precisely.
So baka sa ibang player, sinasabi nila garbage time na, yung papasok na kasi lamang na malaki. Hindi po. Itong time na to, ito yung napaka-importante. Ibig sabihin, susukatin kayo titingnan kung hanggang saan yung focus ninyo, kung kaya nyong i-run yung sistema, yung play, dahil anytime pwede kayong bunutin sa
Exactly.
next round.
And higher stake pa pagdating ng next round kasi
Yes.
semi-final round na, no? It's 2 games away from being crowned, kaya equally important itong laro na to. Itong mga oras na natitira. And that's the declaration of our booming game announcer, itong si 30 Hapos, declaring na last 2 minutes na nitong laban na ito. What a pretty smooth layup ni Sagala. Ronnie Sagala.
Medyo tumutukod na itong mga nakaputi pa, coach.
Right.
Baka tinatapos na lang nila. At eto, para maubos na yung oras, eto naman naka-blue, gumagawa na lang ng set play.
Yes.
Titingnan nila kung paano makapuntos para sa kanilang sistema. Tulad niyan.
Yep. Pero their execution is the same, no? Yung basic play na ginagawa nila na
Yes,
go
tama.
left, go right, cross
Yes.
court, go inside, entry, pass. Yun pa rin yung
Yes.
in-execute nila,
Yes,
which is
tama
very commendable.
Yes, tama coach. Yun yung nangyayari. Kumbaga, tune up yan. Kumbaga
Yes.
sa kanila. Sinutune sila para just in case sa second round, sa semifinals, pag binunod sila sa bench, automatic yan. Magagamit ka. Pwede kang bunutin anytime.
Precisely. Important yan, no? Kahit naman tayo as players, kahit anong oras bigay sa atin ng coach, once you're called, kailangan ready ka, kailangan give your 100% pa din.
Yes, ito yung tipong pag pinasok ka, huwag mo nang tingnan yung score.
Yep.
Doon ka lang. Kung anong tinuro sa ng coach, sistema pa rin, sigurado, mabibigyan ka ng magandang minuto sa next round.
Exactly. Ito naman si Hawkins on the line shooting his second free throw. Still having fun right here in V-Cup 40 above Legends League. Giannis inside. Giannis for 3. Air ball right here. Sabalia will turn it over. Under a minute now, 45 seconds left here. Giannis with the ball. Leodonis for 3. Buries them deeper. Archie breaks the 100. Almost 99 pa lang pala, 2-pointer.
Yes. At ayun.
It's a high-scoring ball game still. 99-83 ang ating score. 22 seconds on the clock.
At ito na nga, inuubos na lang ang oras,
Right.
partner.
And that should be it, no? Breaking 100. 3 digits right now. 101-83 is the end score. Let's see if Sulatan beats the clock, but that's it. Fire Chief Pura Industries will advance to the next round because of this very dominant performance. 101-83. Coach John, ano masasabi mo sa gabing ito? Ano yung pakiramdam na natapos na yung quarterfinals?
At ito nga, napakaganda ng pinakita, both teams. Pero syempre, isa lang ang mananaig, isa lang ang mananalo. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, kung sino yung malakas ang katawan, kung sino yung preparado, sigurado siya makakuha ng magandang panalo at siya ang aangat sa second round. Dahil nga doon, partner, nakuha nitong Fire Chief ang kanilang panalo, sigurado sa semifinals magtatapat itong Tito Rex at Fire Chief. Sino nga ba ang mainit? Pareho fire. Kaya possible, if ever, partner, kung matutuloy ang kanilang laro sa semifinals, possible date December 3, Wednesday.
Isang linggo.
Yes,
ang aantayin natin.
makakapagpahinga pa sila, marami pang preparation. So lahat ready itong kupunan at sigurado maganda ang laro na papakita nito parehong team.
It's a possible fire against fire now. Let's turn it over, Coach John, to our courtside reporter para sa best player of the game interview.
Good evening, VCup fans. I am MG Balida, your courtside reporter, and I am with our V-Sport VCup best player of the game, Bonbon Custodio, with 19 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, 17 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, and 6 steals.
2 travelings and 2 substitutions.
Yes. So for that, sir, nakwento kasi sa akin kanina ng isa mong teammate, Sir Ronald, na isa raw po sa mga goals nyo is makabawi sa Saints. So now that redemption complete, how does it feel?
Ayos lang. Wala naman, okay naman. Masaya.
Chill lang, sir.
Chill lang.
With that, ano pa po ba ang dapat namin abangan from your team sa nalalapit na semi-finals?
Yung schedule. Kailan yung schedule? Abangan nyo kami sa next schedule para makita nyo ulit kami maglaro. Malapit na. Soon daw.
Sir, lastly, how did you able to make yourself compose all throughout the game knowing na marami pong physicalities kanina?
Compose? Lagi naman akong ganito eh. Mabagal lagi kasi ako kaya medyo... Yun lang. Mabagal lang kaya hindi nahalatang nararating.
Noted, sir. But for now, kung meron po kayong gustong batiin or i-shout out, it's your time.
Shoutout ko yung cameraman, saka to, Denny, saka yung pamangkin niya. Mga taga sa amin sila, so dami kong kuwang video. Thank you. Okay na.
Once again, congratulations and thank you so much for letting us interview you tonight. And once again, that is Sir Bonbon Custodio, our best player of the game. And to finally conclude our game, back to you, Will and Coach John.
Thank you so much, MG. Nakakatuwa pakinggan to si Bonbon Custodio, our player of the game now. Coach John, let's look at the playoff bracket, the updated version of it.
Yes, tama ka partner. Sa playoff bracket nila, may nauna na itong JC2 Slashers. Pagdating naman sa laban nila, sigurado magtatapat ang Exile at JC2. Pagdating naman sa kabilang koponan, Tito Rex, Fireworks at ito namang Fire Chief. Sigurado, napakaganda pareho ng laban. Possible po magiging laro nila sa December 3. At sigurado ko mga kabikap, mag-enjoy kayo dito dahil pareho itong apat na teams magbabakbakan at sigurado ko napakaganda ng laban na to.
Yep, only 4 teams remain. Ito ang final score natin, 101-83. Fire Chief takes the last ticket to the semi-final round. It's been a pleasure serving as voice of the game with you, Coach John. No? Pangalan ko po again, Will Aller, alongside our courtside reporter. We'd like to thank 5Tech Media Solutions para sa coverage na ito. Magandang gabi. We were with you from tip-off to sign-off. Have a good night.